Dalgona coffee recipe at home. Whipped coffee. If there's one drink that became a global sensation during the pandemic, it's Dalgona coffee. Originating from South Korea, this frothy delight captivated hearts and taste buds worldwide thanks to its creamy texture and aesthetic appeal. Made with just a handful of ingredients, it's the perfect blend of simplicity and indulgence. If you're craving a cafe-style beverage at home, this recipe is your go-to. In this article, we'll show you how to whip up the viral Dalgona coffee in just 5 minutes. From ingredients to step-by-step instructions and even nutritional information, get ready to create a drink that's as Instagrammable as it is delicious. Why is Dalgona coffee so popular? Dalgona coffee went viral during the coronavirus pandemic when people across the globe sought ways to recreate cafe experiences at home. Its eye-catching, cloud-like coffee foam on a bed of creamy milk is a treat for both the palate and the eyes. The best part? You don't need fancy equipment or skills to make it. With just a whisk and a little arm power, anyone can enjoy this iconic beverage. Ingredients you'll need. Making Dalgona coffee is surprisingly simple. Here's what you'll need for one serving. 2 tablespoons boiling water. 2 tablespoons instant coffee. 2 tablespoons white sugar. 1 cup whole milk. These everyday ingredients create magic when combined, producing the rich, frothy texture that defines this drink. Step-by-step directions. Follow these easy steps to make your perfect cup of Dalgona coffee. Step 1. Whisk it up. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the boiling water, instant coffee, and sugar. Using a whisk, start mixing until the coffee dissolves completely. Keep whisking until the mixture thickens and forms stiff peaks. This typically takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Light bulb pro tip. For faster results, use an electric mixer. If whisking by hand, keep your arms steady. It's worth the effort. Step 2. Prepare your glass. Pour the whole milk into a glass. You can use chilled milk for a refreshing cold coffee or warm milk for a cozy experience. Step 3. Top it off. Gently spoon the thick coffee foam on top of the milk. Spread it evenly for that signature layered look. Step 4. Serve and enjoy. Grab a straw or spoon and give it a little stir to mix the coffee and milk. Sip, savor, and enjoy your homemade Dalgona coffee. Customizing your Dalgona coffee. While the classic recipe is perfect, as is, you can tweak it to suit your preferences. Sweetness level. Reduce the sugar for a less sweet version or add flavored syrups like vanilla or caramel. Milk alternatives. Use almond, soy, or oat milk for a dairy-free option. Add a twist. Sprinkle cinnamon, cocoa powder, or nutmeg on top for extra flavor. Nutrition facts. Curious about the nutritional breakdown? Here's what one serving of Dalgona coffee offers. Nutrient value % daily value. Calories 255. Total fat 8g 10%. Saturated fat 5g 23%. Cholesterol 24 milligrams 8%. Sodium 100 milligrams 4%. Total carbohydrate 38g 14%. Total sugars 36g. Protein 9g 17%. Calcium 284 milligrams 22%. Potassium 528 milligrams 11%. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet. Adjust according to your dietary needs. Tips for the perfect Dalgona coffee. Use instant coffee. Ground coffee won't froth the same way as instant coffee, so stick to instant for the best results. Patience is key. Achieving those stiff peaks might take a little time. Don't rush the process. Experiment freely, whether you're adding flavors or adjusting the milk ratio. Make it your own. Why you should try Dalgona coffee. Dalgona coffee is more than just a drink. It's an experience. The combination of bitter coffee and creamy milk creates a perfectly balanced beverage that's both comforting and invigorating. Plus, the act of whipping up the foam and layering it over milk is oddly satisfying. Whether you're looking to impress guests, treat yourself, or simply try something new, this recipe is a must-try. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your whisk and ingredients and get ready to whip up a coffee masterpiece. Share your creations with friends and family, and let the world see your Dalgona coffee magic.